Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discussed about the rainbow. So, what is rainbow? So simply we can say that it is an example of the dispersion of light from any rain droplet. Okay, किसी रेन ड्रॉप से रे ऑफ लाइट यानी लाइट के डिस्पर्जन का एक एग्जांपल है. Okay, so simply we can say that rainbow it is an example of dispersion of light or light ray from a rain droplet. Okay, any रेन ड्रॉप से वर्षा की बूंदों में से किसी भी रे ऑफ लाइट का जब डिस्पर्जन होता है सो उसका एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है रेनबो. ओके, सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट राइट डाउन इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द डिस्पर्जन ऑफ एनी रे ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम द रेन ड्रॉपलेट एंड सिंपली it is the combined effect. It is combined effect of refraction. Okay, TIR means total internal reflection and dispersion. Okay, so simply we can say that rainbow is the combined effect of the refraction, total internal reflection and dispersion of any ray of light from the water droplet, and it always be formed in the opposite direction of the sun after the rain. Okay, so rainbow is the combined effect of the reflection, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन एंड डिस्पर्जन. ओके, सो जैसे ही रेन ड्रॉप में कोई रे ऑफ लाइट एंटर करेगी तो रिफ्रैक्ट होगी, फिर रिफ्रैक्ट के बाद वहां कई बार TIR होगा, सिंगल बार भी हो सकता है और मोर देन वन टाइम भी हो सकता है. इसीलिए ये रेनबो जो है टू टाइप में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, प्राइमरी रेनबो एंड सेकेंडरी रेनबो. तो वहाँ TIR भी होगा, फिर इसके बाद रे ऑफ लाइट बाहर आएगी, डिस्पर्जन होगा. ओके, सो simply rainbow is the combined effect of the refraction, total internal reflection and the dispersion of any ray of light by the rain droplet, and it always formed in the opposite direction of the sun after the rain. Okay, so it is the two types. Rainbow is two types, and that is equals to primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. ये दो टाइप में होगा. मीन्स whenever TIR formed at least maximum one time, then that is the primary rainbow, and if TIR formed more than one time, that is the secondary rainbow. And you know that the wavelength of red ray, you know that lambda r is greater than lambda v. So red color की wavelength सबसे ज्यादा होती है due to it bends very low. ये रे जो रे ऑफ लाइट है सबसे कम बेंड होगी. एंड ऑन द अदर साइड the wavelength of violet color is greater than all the colors. Due to this its wavelength of the violet color is very smaller than all the colors. Due to this it bend maximum with respect to all the colors. Okay, lambda r सबसे ज्यादा होता है और lambda violet सबसे कम, इसलिए ये जो रे ऑफ लाइट है सबसे कम बेंड होगी और ये रे ऑफ लाइट है सबसे ज्यादा बेंड होगी. ओके, सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट रेनबो is an example of the dispersion of any ray of light by the water droplet, and it is the combined effect of the refraction, total internal reflection and the dispersion of any ray of light from the water droplet, and it always formed in the opposite direction of the sun after the rain. And the rainbow is formed by two types. If TIR form maximum one time, then it is the primary rainbow, and if it form more than one time, then it is the secondary rainbow. Okay, and we know that the wavelength of red color is more than all the colors, and violet it is the very low with respect to all the color. Due to this, red rays bend very low and violet rays bend maximum with respect to all the colors. So let me discuss here the ray diagram for primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. So this is primary rainbow. Okay, these are the water droplets. Okay, and here falls the parallel rays like this, and it refracted in such a way and takes place TIR one times, and after that it gets refracted in this way. Okay, like this, and it is also get reflected in this way. Okay, so this is the red color and this is violet. So the deviation for the red color is 42 degree and deviation angle subtended at the earth, that is violet color, is 40 degree. Okay, प्राइमरी रेनबो है. प्राइमरी रेनबो में से देखिएगा ये एक ही बार TIR फाउंड होगा और आफ्टर दैट इट विल get refracted and it splits into several colors where the maximum wavelength red and minimum is violet. So its angle formed at the earth surface is 42 degree and its angle is 40 degree. Okay, so this is the primary rainbow. On the other side, secondary rainbow will form like this. This is the secondary rainbow, and like this, these are parallel rays of light falls in it, and here more than one times TIR formed like this. यहाँ गई, फिर TIR हुआ यहाँ आए, फिर TIR हुआ यहाँ आए, ऐसे ये, और अब ये रिफ्रैक्ट होगी इन दिस वे. ओके, ये हो जाएगा. और सेकेंडरी रेनबो जो प्राइमरी रेनबो के रिस्पेक्ट में अपोजिट होता है, यहाँ पर ये होगी वायलेट और ये होगी रेड, और यहाँ पर इनका जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन होता है ये 53 डिग्री होगा और ये 50 डिग्री होगा. ओके, सो अब ये सिंपली वी कैन से दैट द सेकेंडरी रेनबो इज अपोजिट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्राइमरी रेनबो, and here the angle formed at the earth surface, that is for the violet color is 53 degree and for the red color is 50 degree. So in this way this is the rainbow formed, okay, in opposite direction of the sun.